Alright guys, I'm doing a video Instant Pot recipe. I got here a rack of a rack of ribs, which was on sale. Check out the price there. It was on sale. I've never seen it this cheap, so I picked it up and I'm gonna make this in my Instant Pot. So I got onions. I'm gonna season it with a little bit of herbs. I got some new seasonings that I got here. This here is a seasoning salt. I've never tried before, but I'm curious to see what it tastes like. As you can see, it has spices, mustard. I like mustard. I'm gonna put a little bit of mustard powder in there as well. And yeah, so as you can see, the ribs are ready to go. I got the onion in there, super seasoned with the highest seasoning salt. And then I put in a little bit of mustard powder, some herbs like oregano and things like that. And then I also put in a little bit of a black cherry vinaigrette. So. Alright guys, it is all done. Can you see that? So it looks really good. It smells really good. It smells like a lot of flavor. I'm going to do a quick taste test right now. But if you can see there, it's glistening because there's a layer of fat. So I can't eat this right away. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a quick taste test, like I said. But I'm going to put it in the fridge. And then basically what I'll do is when it's in the fridge, the oils will start to congeal. There we go. There's a piece right there. I'm going to do a quick taste test. The oils will congeal, and then basically I'm going to scoop up all the fat, and then just then it'll be fine. So, that is good. The meat is super tender and has a lot of flavor from the seasoning salt and everything. So stay tuned for more videos, guys. If you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel. Alright guys, just as a bonus video, I wanted to show you how much fat is in there. Look at that. It's encased in fat. This is why you want to put it in the fridge and scoop out the fat. Alright guys, if you have any questions, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.